Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishia mami mo bibiara akwaba. You and then your baba very simple. As always, yeah, and then your dinner roll. Simple, delicious, yummy, and smells so good. Nti ene your brodo, what friend no dinner roll. Let's get to the kitchen. Nti your dinner roll. Main ingredients and I name your baby is simple. We will have 2 cups all-purpose flour. I have milk. I have butter melted. That's 4 tablespoons. I have vanilla extract, honey, and inchini salt. Okay, then let's start. I put in my. Hey, I did I mention this? Instant yeast. Okay. What makes the yeast make sure you don't let your salt touch the yeast, so you have to mix it, otherwise your dough is not gonna rise up on time for you, or you kill the yeast. The piano make sure say you yeast in enka no. Okay, say no they mention a kakra bibigum. There's a pinch of salt. My butter don't have salt in it, so just a pinch of salt. Add your salt. Now make a hole here. You add your butter. Okay, this is a yendo nini. Tin bekataso na amano hoso kakar arise kakra. Making dinner roll. Yendo nini. Our dough is ready. Okay, see? Oops. Just as I said, maybe I need some kakra. Okay, so we are say. We are say. Next. Okay, and this is saying. Tremo. 1. Okay, so like this. If you want all to be one measurement, then you have to use your scale. Okay, so just rounding it like that. Round. Yep. Round. Make sure say and then see round. That's it. Yep. Okay, it's here now this my so me let's see film like that. So same baby cover so fine. Now arise it, then we bake it. Okay, so it's going in the oven. Ready, hot and fresh, and it looks so inviting. Now me say, brodon yedi right from the oven. Then this is the second one. Maye. The bread was so good that we ate all. Everything was gone. So I have to prepare another one right away. So that's why. So I doubled this one. This time I doubled this. As you can see, our bread is ready.
bread is ready.
I was saying for Moshe, brother, no. Ready a bread cake. I come.